Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today this video is about, is it really worth to purchase Samsung Galaxy S9 in 2020. S9 got released in 2018 and I purchased recently in 2020. So you guys may think, is it really worth to purchase in 2020? For example, because a flagship phone will be released once in a year. One phone will be in a year. For example, in 2018, Samsung S9, 19, S10. In 20, we got S20. So these flagship phones are premium phones and with proper build quality and better software compatibility. So, for example, in 2018, if you purchase this phone, it is around 62,500. I have purchased this phone in Flipkart for 25,000. You may think there are many other mid-range phones in this price tag. For example, like A51, A71, A31. Because one more thing is even I have purchased the Samsung Galaxy S7 previously in 2018 because it got released in 2016. I have been using that phone for few years. I have purchased in 2018. Still now I'm using the same phone. Even I don't find any problem with the software or the build quality. Camera is performing very good. Even with this phone. Then you may think why you went for S9 from S7. With respect to the screen, I'm getting some better screen on this phone compared to S7. So and for example, if you see this phone, it properly fits in your hand. It fits in a pocket as well. I have iPhone 11 as well. For example, if you want to hold this phone properly, you can hold like this. You can easily move your finger from here to top to. It is easy to operate. And with respect to screen size, for example, this is 5.8 screen. And if you see the recent phones now, all the phones which are coming, like it will be more than 6.4 inch screens. So it will be very difficult. So ideally the screen size will be helpful if you are watching any movies or anything. And watching movies on S9 is having very better experience because with the volume speakers tone and along with all these things, better display, like we are having like 2960 into 1440 pixels, and this is a QHD display. With this display, watching movies on this phone is very good. And we're coming to camera. Actually, these days there are phones which are coming up, quad cameras, triple cameras, dual cameras. This phone comes with a single camera, which is providing a output which is far better than triple cameras and quad cameras. Ideally, these photos are used for posting in social media like Facebook, Instagram, which will be ideally sufficient with this phone. And coming to gaming, for example, you can play with more graphics games like PUBG, Temple Run with ease without any lag or anything. For example, if you see I'm starting PUBG. Let's see how it goes. I'll put volume to high. It's loading. If you see, sound is very good. Actually, it's proper. We can experience better quality sound on this phone. Just wait for the game to start. We'll see the graphics and how it is, and is there any lag in this game. You can observe. See, game got started. You're not seeing any lag here. See, there is no lag at all. It's very smooth. You can play game with better sound quality. For example, we will see another game. let's play Temple Run or some old games. See, it started very quickly. Let's see any lag is there or not. No, thanks. Okay. Play. See, there is no lag at all. And even multitasking is very smooth here. See, if you see, you can easily open different apps, which is very smooth. Coming to the camera, this comes with 12 megapixel rear camera. If you see the camera quality here, come. See, this is proper room lighting in proper room lighting conditions. You'll get a better camera quality. So which is far better than other phones, other mid-range phones. And even for low light camera, I'll be doing one more video. I'll show in that video. Low light camera also, like photos also will come very good with this phone. And for example, this come with the face detection, iris scanner and fingerprint scanner, which is available in all these recent phones, which is present in this phone. And this is a pure water resistant phone, IP68. So for example, there is no problem if it gets wet for some time also. So there are many advantages. I have seen this phone. Mostly this compatibility, build quality, camera for performance and the display tells me that this is really worth to purchase in 2020. You can have a look and feel whether it is really worth to purchase. For me, it's a worth purchase. Thank you.